and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this dress. Let's see what it looks like. So it is like a dusty rose slash almost beige, like a muted tone. And whoa, what is going on here? The front is a crisscross with not so much a sweetheart neckline. It's like a little V neckline. Oh, these go off the shoulders. This thing goes around your neck. So it's crisscross in the front. It's hard to see it off the body, I guess. But these will go off the shoulder, cinched a little bit on the waist. But it looks actually maybe more like an empire waist. And then goes all the way down. In the back, there's a zipper. Goes all the way down. And then inside is just like the same fabric. So let me just go ahead and put this on so you see what it looks like. So it was a little bit difficult initially to figure out, how this part works because it was just a zip in the back and you have to like kind of wrap this part a little bit. But once you got it, it was fine. Got a little choked though as I was putting it on. But this feels nice. It doesn't feel, too tight on your throat. The color is really awesome. I really like these kind of like dusty, pale colors. You can see it hits kind of, right at the waist right there. Really, really lovely off the shoulder. Just an elegant overall feel, I would say. And here's the back. The only zipper is right there. So that's why it was a little bit difficult to figure out. It goes all the way down to like the knee, wraps really, really nice and tight, but is not too tight that you feel like you can't breathe. There's a little slit for mobility. But just in general, just a really nice dress that you can really wear to a date, a outing, a girls' night out, whatever it is that you're going to. And it's really, really comfortable, really breathable. I feel like I can move around in this. These aren't restricting at all. I like the look and feel of this dress. I feel it's definitely something that I would wear out on the town and not feel restricted with. If you like this dress, check out the link below to purchase. And if you like product unboxings and unopenings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.